Welcome to Latest Cars Info, your go-to channel for the newest and most exciting vehicles in the world. If you're passionate about innovation, speed, and stunning design, you're in the right place. Let's jump into the future with the all-new 2026 BMW X4. The 2026 BMW X4 continues to define the perfect blend of sporty elegance and SUV practicality. With its signature coupe-style sloping roofline, the X4 stands out boldly in the crowded SUV market. The front fascia now features a refreshed kidney grille design, sharper LED headlights, and a more sculpted bumper for a more aggressive road presence. Under the hood, BMW offers a choice of powerful engines. The xDrive 30i comes with a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 producing 255 horsepower, while the high-performance M40i model is equipped with a 3.0-liter turbo inline-6, pushing out a thrilling 382 horsepower. Both trims feature BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system and an 8-speed automatic transmission for seamless performance. Inside the 2026 X4, luxury and technology come together. The cabin boasts high-quality materials, a redesigned dashboard, and a massive curved display that combines the 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and a 14.9-inch infotainment screen powered by BMW's iDrive 9 system. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an upgraded Harman Kardon sound system are all standard. Comfort is taken to a new level with heated and ventilated seats, ambient lighting, and expanded rear legroom. The X4 also includes advanced safety and driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera. On the road, the 2026 X4 feels agile, smooth, and planted. Whether you're navigating city streets or hitting the highway, the chassis tuning and suspension deliver a dynamic yet comfortable ride. The M40i variant, in particular, provides a sporty driving experience with enhanced steering response and braking performance. BMW has announced that this could be the final generation of the petrol-powered X4, with the electric 9.4 expected to debut soon. That makes this 2026 model not only one of the best in its class, but potentially the last of its kind. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the world's most exciting cars. Thanks for watching Latest Cars Info, where innovation meets the road.